put 40-volt travel charger. This is definitely something that is needed when you're traveling. So this does fold down, so it's nice and, you know, small, you know, kind of like the size of a mouse. When you want to use it, you open it up like that, and this is all retractable. So see that? You have your old Lightning, your good old Lightning, and you also have your new USB-C. And these both come out, you know, I'd say about, what's that, about 2.5 feet, and they retract, okay? Now, if you don't want to use those, you actually have the option to plug in a USB-A and an additional USB-C. So you have kind of best of both worlds. It's all tied in, really neat. The one thing they do point out, and they do say on here, is if you do plug everything in, each one of these is going to lower the, lower the wattage going out. But if you're only using one, you'll probably get your full, what's this, 40 volt. It has all the, all the calculations back here. But, who cares? I never really care how long stuff takes to charge. I plug it in and let it go. If I only want the phone to charge the fastest, because that's what I'm worried, then I'll just plug in the phone and it'll, charge pretty quick. So it's really nice. It feels really good. Feels premium in my hand. This is the box it comes in. Yeah, pretty cool. Awesome. It also has short circuit protection in it, which I really like, and over voltage protection. So it protects your devices. Good job, guys.